What's the meaning of chancellor? Chancellor. Chancellor.
Chancellor. Chancellor. A chancellor is a high-ranking official in various important organizations, such as universities or governments. They typically serve as a leader or head of the organization and are responsible for overseeing its operations and making important decisions. In universities, chancellors usually act as the ceremonial figurehead and represent the institution to the public, while also working with other administrators to manage academic affairs. In governments, chancellors may hold various roles, such as serving as the head of the treasury or overseeing foreign affairs. Overall, a chancellor can be seen as a position of great responsibility and authority.